Everything we do depends on water. The Everglades Reclamation Program is designed to preserve the largest wetlands ecosystem in the world. The Florida Everglades has over 300 species, 60 of which are on the endangered list. And the size of the Everglades has been reduced almost by half over years of agricultural fields, canals being built, and interruption with roads. And now the reclamation and saving of the balance of the Everglades is dependent upon the influx of fresh water. Philadelphia Gear produced 9 large double reduction pump drives. The idea was to create large pump stations and dig ponds to move this water into treatment areas, thereby creating a man-made marsh. During the time it's in the treatment areas, the water hyacinths naturally remove phosphorus and other chemicals from the water. When the pump station is built, there's typically 2 to 5 pumps that move the water. The Philadelphia Gear is the piece that's in the middle. We're the most customized because we have to accommodate the driver, which is typically a diesel engine, and the vertical pump. So the Philadelphia Gear is a right-angle pump drive that completes the process. Well, in the very beginning, we worked strongly with the engineering firms to develop the specification, and therefore Philadelphia Gear's design was part of the original package. It's very important in working on a project like this to interact with all of the parties and understand all of their needs. And over time, you build the relationships with each of the stakeholders so that everybody has trust in Timken. A big part of the value when we work with customers is that we are really an extension of their team. We work with them intimately in various stages of the project. During the manufacturing process, they're invited to come and work with us at our plant to evolve the various aspects of the job. The results are tangible. It only takes 3 to 4 months for the ponds to do their job and for fresh water to be produced and pushed into the Everglades, and that has been ongoing. I love the fact that I was able to be involved in this project from the very beginning until boots on the ground at the job site, watching the installation and watching the units start up. We're very proud of the fact that we follow our equipment into the field and continue to support it long term.